Hey everyone, and welcome back to the galaxy. Today, we will be learning how to create this simple but awesome glowing eye effect in GIMP. In my project, I'm starting with one layer, my image. Using the pen tool, I will trace around both eyes. After you've completed and closed the path to one eye, you can continue to trace around the other eye. After we have created our paths, we can create two new layers. I will name one eye color, and the other I will name outer glow color. Make sure you drag the outer glow color layer beneath the eye color layer. With the eye color layer selected, I will change my foreground color to white and select Fill Path in the Paths tool options. I will leave this set to solid color with anti-aliasing checked, and then I will click Fill. Using white will help create the general glow effect. Now, with the outer glow layer selected, we can choose any color we want to accent this glow. I will choose blue. Then again, I will select Fill Path in the Paths tool options and click Fill. Now we can get rid of these path lines by simply clicking another tool. And now let's create the glow. With the outer glow color layer still selected, we will navigate up to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. From here, I will adjust the top slider to increase the blur on the glow color. See how it starts to expand from the eye in a nice feather. We don't want to make this too big so the effect remains believable. Once we are happy with the effect, we can click OK. Next, we will do the same to our eye color layer. Make sure it is active by clicking on it, and again navigating up to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. This time you want to make the blur even smaller than the outer glow color. We want it to enhance the appearance that the eye is glowing. And once you're happy with the effect, click OK. And that's it. You've created this awesome eye glow effect in GIMP. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, consider subscribing for more awesome content. Let us know if you found this tutorial helpful by liking this video and leaving us a comment. Thanks for watching.